Okay, let's see. So, TacticFreak. I'll try E4. I think more Smith gambit with F4. It's always good fun, or usually good fun. So his record. Okay, he's been playing a lot on this 5-minute time control. Queen E2 here, bishop E3. Protects B2 as well. Okay, bishop E3. If he takes a knight D4, queen F2, I hope. Oh, he's got knight C2 check. Knight C2 check. I guess I could always take on D4 and play rook D1, hope for the best. He hasn't gone for that. Could I just castle here? Ooh, that looks a bit slow. So something like B4 or E5. I think B4 is interesting. Knight B4, E5. Yeah. Queen B4, maybe knight B5. It's giving me a more solid centre on E4. This doubling pawns. The light square bishop, I want to celebrate this light square bishop. Because he hasn't got a light square bishop here. Actually, Queen B4, maybe Rook C1. Okay. There's B5 and then E5. And B5 maybe is letting him off. Or is it? There is B6 after. Go for that. Aha. Knight's kind of awkward, I hope. So, is that E5 here? Takes Queen E5. There's nothing much after that. That Knight D5 here. Knight C4, Queen C4. Knight D5, E5, Bishop G7. Okay. The knight's kind of stranded, so why not just Bishop D3 for a moment? Don't want to lose too much time in these positions. Like E5 is looking tasty. No, not really. Just Rook G1 might be useful. Or Rook F2, Rook G1. What about knight move to okay. F5 here. So I'm attacking his bishop. He's going to weaken his own dark squares here. He's not careful. I think Rook G1. If I take first on H6, just weaken those dark squares. Okay. Knight D1 to E3. Oh, there's Rook C1 if he wants it. If it gives me knight e3, okay, this is getting dangerous. What about just queen e3? Queen d2 hits. Oops. Blunder the queen. Not good. Oh there. Too early. Oh, Queen H3 just wins the knight. Whoops. Oh dear, oh dear. Knight H5. Oh, what was I thinking? Rook G2, Knight F4, there's Queen D2 as well, pinning. It looks as though it's a dangerous position for me actually, the dart squares, so to be fair. The knight's okay maybe. It's maybe B6 if needed. Something went wrong. Not enough coffee, I think. Yeah, this is all pretty dangerous, this queen manoeuvre. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.